You can go first. Sorry, I'm just filming the elevator.
No worries.
Don't worry, you're not in the video. I know some people don't like to be on camera.
I'm not too worried.
All right.
Is this for a course?
It's a hobby. I'm just
Okay.
interested in elevators, so I post them on YouTube. There's a small community of them. You have to go. Alright, let's take a ride to B. That's weird. The floors are kind of flip-flopped. Usually the higher ones are on this side, lower on this side. It's got the older indicator, the segmented, or not segment, the analog indicator in disguise as a digital one. I sort of like this one now. Watch this classic leveling. Otis. Let's go back up to 3. There's your indicator. Oh, it's got the rare Otis logo. Usually the logo is in a different font on the capacity plate, but I kind of like that font better. Alright, let's check out this level. That is awesome. Alright, and we'll end it on 1. It's got the green door close buttons. ADA compliant phone.